Hey, this is iExpert guy here. So today we just wanna learn how to distort option if you don't have distort option and how to solve this issue. And in this video, I'm just share that thing and wish that really help you. And thank you so much, guys. Let's watch the video. Thank you. You are searching this video. That's mean you have in lot of trouble. Actually when we make something sometime on Adobe Illustrator, so then we want to distort on Photoshop and we don't have the distort option, so that's really pathetic, you know. So let me show you. I made that design on Adobe Illustrator, so I just take this design in Photoshop. So that's the design. Okay, so we have the design, but you know we don't have the distort option. And I want to share you thing. When I found this option, I just want to throw my computer. I'll just totally hang out. What happened with it? So everyone have a distort option, I don't have a distort option. So what problem with my computer? Actually I think I don't have any distort option. So then I found this solution. So what to do then? So you don't have distort option in here, so then you just do like that. We have this layer, we take out in Adobe Illustrator. So this is our vector smart object. This is the layer option. So then right click in here again, just right click in here, convert to smart object. Again I told that convert to smart object. Click the right button and convert it to a smart object. So then we have this layer. So in just again press Ctrl T for free transform. So then you have the distort option like that. So now you can skew it like that and you have the distort option. Solve it. So thank you so much, guys. And actually this is one of the most pathetic thing I just face, so I need to share this thing. So just if you made any design on Adobe Illustrator, when you come in Photoshop, so you have to free transform it. So then if you wanna distort it, if you don't have the distort option, so please click the right button, then free transform. Let me show you. Convert to smart object, then you will be get the distort option like that, distort option. And thank you so much, guys. If you think that's help, so please hit the subscribe button, and that's really free. And please make this family bigger. And thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.